Hey, what's up, buddy? How doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm Viren Bablu, and I'm again here practicing my English. You can see it's my open studio. You can see, and yeah, I do daily practice here because it's good if you wanna improve your English, you wanna speak English. So it's very good to practice daily. So it's my daily resolution. I have to practice at least 10 minutes daily. Talk anything, whatever come in my mind. Talk and yeah, it will improve, and it's improving also. So that's why I do daily because, and guys, also I'm sure that it's repetiting because it's same place, same vibe, same conversation every day I'm doing, but I don't have any matter, so I'm doing this and it's improving. So today also I came here, and it's now field area, and it's all wheat field, and cut it out, and you can see it's cut by machines. And also guys, I explain everything, so it's very good for improving. So you can see it's all cut it by a machine, and now it's, you can see middle of this is very small, so it's made extra here. And you can see it's also made by machines, and here also you can see one line. So people cut it by machine, and after that make a cow fodder extra. So it's good for farmers because it's collect extra. So that's why, and some farmers don't use extra, so they burn it out after some days. So yeah, it's a farming process here. And so I came again here, and so I don't come in my mind what say, so just I speak whatever come in my mind, and not come in my mind what to say. So I don't stop. So you have to don't stop if you want to improve English. So speak whatever come in your mind, and speak. So that's why I'm doing. And here you can see it's a very unique types of field. So you can see it's dried mustard stems, and you can see it's cut it quite up, and it's guys cut it up quite up because it's thresh. It's plant thresh in the thresher, and it takes very few minutes. So that's why farmers use quite up, and they thresh it and collect mustard and extra different side, and after the collect of extra they burn it out. And I can see there a barn, and guys, here you can see lots of fields barren. So you can see it's a very small parts plant, and it's barren, and not any crops here plant because here irrigation system is quite tough here because it's quite far from main road, and it's quite up. So here not you can't see any greenery here because it's I said that's main problem is irrigation system. So that's why, and here all only left, and here you can see some farmers trying to plant some crops, but they left that. So you can see it's very problematic here because it's a main problem here, water. So I came here, and so guys, it's good come outside and speak whatever, and practice your English. So I come here also because here no one judge me, no one stop me, no one look at me, because when I speak somewhere middle of the people, so people look at me, people judge me, people disturb me. What I do, what are you doing, and how do you speak English? And some people say, hey, you speaking English? Yeah. So that's why I came here and here practice my English. So it's very good, and you can do, you go your area outside. If you don't have farmland, so you can go your park area, your garden if big, or if a field like everywhere a big field for running, for anything. So you can go there and can do practice like me. So I come here and practice. I come here daily here, and I nowadays I'm doing regularly, and yeah, my fluency is also increasing because when I was started, so that was not quite good. I was quite stumbling and stutter not come in my mind, not come out my mouth sentences, not even words. So I stop, and after that, like this, some stoppage take, and after that again start my conversation. But nowadays I'm feeling quite comfortable, and my fluency is quite good. I'm not stopping middle of this talking, so it's very good. And it's I think my only 10 to 15 sessions I did, and it's a very long time. I think I did it 2-3 months, but nowadays regularly I'm doing last 4 to 5 days regularly. And yeah, it's only 4-5 days. It's improving quite well. And guys, it's morning time, so you can go like morning walk. When you go morning walk and no one was there, so you can also there practice. And in the morning, many people don't come out, and there was quite serene, quite empty place. So you can find empty place like this, because here you can see no one is here, and I'm all alone, and yeah, I'm practicing my English, so you can do. So now guys, I did 9 minutes, and yeah, it's time goes very fast. And when I was started, there was like big problem for me. My hand was aching, and I thought that let's stop in middle of this session, but I didn't stop, and I speak anything whatever come in my mind. So guys, you can see it's also barren land, because here not any crops in this field, and middle of this farm area, because every farm has some crops, but this farm don't have any crops, because some farmers don't do farming here, because so quite far from villages also. And it's if some farmers don't have many people, families, so they don't do farming here, and left field like this, and it use other farmers, like they throw here garbage and some extra like this. So guys, I did this session today, and I'm sure it will improve your journey too, and you will understand some topics, and I'm sure you will find some topics to improve your conversation, your English speaking journey. So I came here, and I'm going to village, because I came here quite early and now it's quite late. So please let me know how's the video, and what I did wrong, and what I should to improve. Please let me know. And so yeah, that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.